As men age, especially after 40, changes in energy, circulation, and vitality can sneak up on you. The good news? Small daily habits can make a huge difference in how you feel and perform. Today we're looking at 3 essential secrets every man over 40 should know to stay strong, energized, and confident, without any gimmicks or complicated routines. Section 1. Boost circulation with simple exercises. Circulation is the foundation of energy and overall health. Simple exercises like squats, lunges, or even leg lifts can improve blood flow, especially to the lower body. Stretching the hips, thighs, and calves daily also helps keep muscles flexible and prevents stiffness. Just 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels and functions. Section 2. Prioritize nutrition and hydration. What you eat has a huge impact on circulation and vitality. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean protein support strong blood vessels and hormone balance. Drinking enough water keeps blood flowing smoothly. Avoiding processed foods, excessive sugar, and alcohol can also boost energy and confidence. Small changes in your diet can create lasting effects. Section 3. Manage stress and sleep. Stress and poor sleep are major energy drainers. High stress triggers cortisol, which can affect circulation and hormone levels. Deep breathing, meditation, and light stretching before bed help relax your body. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night is crucial for recovery and vitality. Together, stress management and good sleep set the stage for consistent energy and confidence. So the 3 secrets every man over 40 should know are simple. Move to boost circulation, eat and hydrate smartly, and manage stress while prioritizing sleep. These habits support energy, vitality, and overall confidence, without any complicated routines. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your favorite tip, and subscribe for more men's health advice. Remember, it's the small daily choices that make the biggest difference.